But I love when my plants get rained on, how nice it looks. Look at the puddles. I think that our townhome is on a slant, so that's why we get puddles like that. So we put these stones out, far out, so like when Daisy goes out or when we have to go out, we don't step on the puddle. See? But it's so nice and quiet. There's nobody outside. And there's the field. Oh, I love it. I love when it's raining. I love the sound of it. So I'm looking at our Sam's Club catalog. These pots are really nice. They're really, really nice. But as I was going through it, I saw this picture of these kids dressed in Halloween costumes. They look so cute, but doesn't this like just give you the fall vibes? Like, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I love pictures like this. Look at this. These bags are a bit pricey, but so to me, fall, Halloween, it's like it starts in Halloween. All the holidays, all the fun, all the family stuff. When school's back. I love it. So I wanted to show you her recipes. This one is one I want to try. The only thing I would change is the canned drained chicken. I've never ever in my life had canned chicken. But everything else looks good. So there's the ingredients. And then the crust is made up of the chicken, parmesan, and eggs. That's genius. So I think I might try that. A little snack. Taco lunch. And the pancakes. This one I want to try too. I gotta find the nut flour. This is what she looked like at first. She says she lost like 30 pounds. And this is her now. So I wanted to show you. I did my nails again. I did them today. Much better. This time I did not put this on. Just these two, and I think it looks much better. I do love the color. I wanted to show you it's coming down pretty hard now. Looks like sheets. Oh my gosh, look at my yard. Oh my goodness. Wow. Coming down hard now. Yep.